Hi, today I will show you how to use a Filtergraph portal. I will be doing a demo of a Scatterplot to show you Filtergraph's basic functionalities. So when you go into a portal, this is what you see. At the top left, that's the name of the portal, and underneath it is a description. If you click on the button underneath the title, as the admin, you have access to the settings for the portal. If you click on Edit File Description, you can add a description and also add descriptors for the columns. So here on the left side, we have the control area, and on the right, we have the viewing window. Let's take a look at the scatter plot. If you click and drag, you can make a box to zoom in. On the top right, there is a reset zoom to go back, or on the left, you can click on the filters to reset the view. You can also click on a point to view more information about that point. You can change what the graph is displaying by changing the X, Y, or Z axes, the size field, or the color field. If you click on the filters, you can change the bounds of what is shown. For example, let's look at movies made from 1990 to 2000. You can also click on Filter the Data button up top and set your criteria here. You can click on More at the bottom for more detailed settings. For example, you can choose the color palette for your graph. And you can also choose to show the color bar or not. If you scroll to the bottom, you can change the aspects of the graph, such as the title or the font. Additionally, you can add lines and annotations. You can add text to the graph and set it at specific X and Y coordinates. Also, you can add trend lines to the graph, and also change the size and color of what you add to the graph. Filtergraph allows you to perform mathematical functions on the variables in your data. You can see the complete list of functions by clicking on any of these drop-down menus, going to the bottom, and clicking on mathematical functions. And here's your list. You can use these functions to change the axes and the display. For example, I will add two columns together. And here is your updated graph. Another feature is the ability to highlight certain data. Go to More and click on Highlight the Data. You can choose criteria for a specific variable, multiple variables, or even mathematical expressions, and the matching data points will be highlighted. For example, let's look at the duration between 90 minutes and 91 minutes. And here are your highlighted points. Once you have a graph that you wish to save for later, you can add it to your notebook, which is down here. And it will save the graph with all of the settings. If you choose to publish the graph, anyone with access to the portal can view it. You can always unpublish it, edit it, or delete it. And you can also add comments to it. Any changes you make to the underlying dataset are automatically reflected in all saved graphs based on that dataset. You can also obtain a link that goes directly to the portal specific graph, so you can show others your visualizations. You can also copy the image directly by clicking on the copy button and then right-clicking to copy. Or you can save the image in a different format by clicking the save button and choosing a specific format. One last functionality is the statistics button. If you click on this, it will show you the relevant statistics associated with your current display. So that was a quick demo on how to use the general functionalities of the portal. There are many other types of displays, such as world map, line chart, error bars, etc. For more information on how to use these displays, please visit the help page. Thank you so much.